This is the card. Now we're going to be replacing it with this card for your motor blower. The snapping connector comes loose. Just snap the new one back on. You have to depress this to let the push in. It'll lock in. Now you got two screws. We already had removed one. Two screws need to be reinstalled. I'm going to try the blower motor. Turn that off. Now we got air speed 1, 2, 3, and 4. While previously we only had speed at 3 and 4. Glove compartment is only was 4 screws. Put our ball back in. That screw here. And in this pocket here, there's a screw. But it holds the, you'll need 2 more screws, one on each side, and the latch is also at the bottom. All set. Now you get a card that has full fan control.